Well, the camera fell on me, so that's kind of what happens. Now let's try this again. This time I'll hold on to you. Bring this over here to me a little bit. Let's just unplug you. There we go. So it's still on. Alright, so it's still on, and hopefully you're seeing this, and let's see what happens. Okay, still works. Good. I see the LED. LED lights are not working. I had it on and off. Well, let's see if I plug it back in, if it will come back on. Let me see here. No, LED lights don't want to turn back on anymore. Okay, I guess it has to be engaged for the LED lights to go back on. So that's cool. Anyways, it's nighttime out here. Let's see if it'll fly during the night. So let's go out and have some fun, shall we? That's what it's all about, having some fun. Again, this is you know, it's not for me, it's for my daughter. I'm just doing the review. Swear. Yeah, absolutely. I swear this is not for me. It's just for it's for reviewing purposes. So okay, excellent. I rigged up my garage here to have motion sensor lights. So I just want to hover it. I don't want to fly it. So let's see if you're all seeing that. Oh, well, just tipped over. Let's try to see if it won't tip over now. Okay. Yep. Maybe it needs a flat area. Okay. Well, let me see if I can. Okay. Here's what I'll do. I'll put it in my palm of my hand, and let's see if it'll just lift off my hand. Okay. It's a little harder than it looks, but let's just throttle it up. Ooh. There we go. Oh, I had it. I want the lights back on here. I don't know if anybody could see the blinking lights here. Okay. Takes some practice, but you can definitely do it. Take some practice here. There we go. Okay, well, there we go. I don't know if you saw all that, but that was freaking cool. Oh my gosh. Uh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Let's see if you can see all this now. Ah, darn it. You have to get it, you have to really just get it going, get it up in the air, and then try to control it from there. There we go. There we go. Wow. Well, this is freaking cool. It's awesome. It takes a while to get kind of used to, and I'd recommend, you know, going to a very open field. I just wanted to make sure that this thing was that it worked, and it does work. It's pretty durable. I mean, I haven't crashed into a building yet, but so far it seems to hold up pretty good. Oh, sorry. Maybe I should turn this off. Okay. Okay. Let me turn off the lights back here. There we go. So, yeah, this is freaking awesome. This is a very cool toy. I would recommend this to just about anybody who wants to have fun with this. Well, there you go. I'm done. That was quick. If you ask me, what do I think it's awesome. I give it excellent. The only downside was, of course, this thing with the antenna breaking off, and I'm not too well. Hopefully, it won't break off, but at least it works, so that takes care of that. It took longer than I thought, because mainly due to this damn piece of crap thing, but I fixed it. It's a good old soldering iron. And then some. You need really small little screwdrivers to really, if you ever run into that problem, to get into these holes and to unscrew, everything. So have some of this handy just in case. Having a screwdriver set like this wouldn't hurt either. So now I could put this all back, I guess. Where I found it. Oh, eventually it'll come out. So, okay, I give it an excellent, because it's a fun factor involved, and directions are non-existent, but you don't really need them, because I made it work. It takes a while to when you fly this thing. It takes a while to get used to, because I did pretty quick, but you got to turn it up really high to get it off the ground, and then while you're doing that, you got to control left and right and forward and backwards and all that. So that's the other thing about it. Other than that, I mean, it's definitely fun. Definitely for an adult. For a kid, it would probably be really fun. The problem is, the kid won't know how to do this. Crash the thing, it'll probably break or fly in water. But yeah, this is a very cool product. I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, sometimes these toys are more fun to work with than than the tools and everything. But you know, tools are important too. All right, well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this episode or the whole series here on the RC helicopter. Tune in. I mean, I'll have lots of other stuff to you know, review here. Also share with you. And again, this is all unedited, uncut, step by step, first person view. So you're seeing it as just as I'm seeing it. And you know, I'm not an expert in all this. I haven't built or flown a lot of these, but if I can do it, you can do it. And hopefully this helps you a great deal if you're interested in something like this. Some of the problems I had, you know, you may have, and hopefully you can avoid those problems. Thank you very much, and goodbye.